There is a craze going on of mixing croissant and cookies in a way that require basically a bakery, special equipment, and days to make. I've got the short version, and this is how we're gonna make it. We will start by making an edible cookie dough. For that, you're gonna need a skillet and cook your all-purpose flour. Add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, which is about 120 grams. Cook it on the stove for about 5 minutes. While continuously moving it and stirring it around. You can do this step in the microwave if you prefer. Set it on high for about a minute and a half, and every 30 seconds stop the microwave and move your flour around so it cooks evenly. A good indication to stop is when your kitchen or your home smell of toast. It should smell like cooked bread. Then turn off the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. While it cools down, let's work on the rest of the ingredients. Get your electric mixer out. Attach the flat beater attachment. Add half a cup of brown sugar, which is about 100 grams. Half a cup of unsalted butter, which is about 100 grams. Half a teaspoon of salt. A few drops of vanilla. After a few minutes on the electric mixer, this is what you should have. It should look something like this. Now it's time to add in the cooked all-purpose flour. In this step, you don't need to use the electric mixer. Using a rubber spatula, fold it in. This is the step where, if we were just making an edible cookie dough, we would add a semi-sweet chocolate chips. But we are not making just an edible cookie dough. We are making the Nutella-Pistachio Croissant Cookie, and I think adding a chocolate chip would be too much. It would overpower the Nutella flavor, so I prefer to not add it. Coming back to the stove, we're gonna end up with a little bit of flour on it. We don't want to waste that. What you need to do is add a few tablespoons of whole fat milk, mix it around, dissolve the remaining flour, and add it in to your edible cookie dough mixture. The milk works well with this recipe. And now we're ready for the assembly. From the beginning I promised that this recipe will not require a bakery. So what we will do, we will get our favorite ready-made croissant. And this is mine. We will cut it in half. One half we're gonna spread with Nutella. The other half we're gonna spread with the edible cookie dough. For the pistachio, we're gonna sprinkle some shredded pistachios that we shredded in the food processor and turned into a fine powder. Now you can go with the pistachio cream. If you're interested in that, I have a video here in the description below on how I made the pistachio cream. Now, an edible cookie dough might not be for you. You might prefer ready-made cookies. For that, I also made a video on how to make the cookies. I will link it below. You can add your cookies to your croissant and serve it up. Don't forget the pistachios. This time I used shredded pistachios. These were my versions of the Nutella-Pistachio Croissant Cookies that require no bakery expertise or equipment. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos with your friends. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you in the next video.